Hi everybody, hope you're well. Welcome to another video. This is a really exciting video because in today's video I am using for the first time the all-new MagMod Professional Flash Kit 2, which has got loads of improvements over the original MagMod modifiers. So because this is such a special shoot, I want to do something really unique. So I'm at Tank Space with the only permanent rain machine of its kind in the UK. Boom! So before we start the shoot, I'm going to pass you over to me to go through what is in the Professional Flash Kit and what the differences are between the original modifiers and the modifiers that you'll find in here.
I've been a MagMod ambassador for 3 years now, but I've been using MagMod for much longer than that. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you will know that I use MagMod products all the time, whether it be at weddings, portrait shoots, or making videos for my channel. I couldn't take the images which I do without using MagMod, from the smaller modifiers like the MagGrid, the MagSphere and the gels, all the way up to the larger mag boxes, and I couldn't be prouder to represent a company whose products I absolutely love. But firstly, if you're interested in seeing more about why I think modifiers such as these are just about essential for good off-camera flash photography, then please watch this video in which I demonstrate the effects of the MagGrid, the MagSphere and the MagSnoot. So being such a big fan of MagMod, when they very kindly sent me their new Professional Flash Kit 2, I was obviously very excited to try out the new modifiers. So before I show you behind the scenes of the shoot where I use them for the very first time, let's have a look at what is included in this kit. The Professional Lighting Kit contains the MagBounce 2, the MagGrid 2, the MagSphere 2, the new MagGrip, and various new MagGels, and each of the modifiers has been improved. So let's go through them. So here is the old MagSphere and here is the new one. The new MagSphere is lighter than the original and the magnets are now stronger and more secure. You can also use the new MagSphere on round speed lights. Here is the old MagGrip and here is the new one. The new one is lighter and smaller but just as powerful as the original, plus the magnets are now embedded into the grip so that they can't come out. Here is the old MagBounce, it's a bit battered so apologies for that, and here is the new one. The new version is smaller and lighter, which makes it much better for using for on-camera flash, and the magnets are now stronger. Now for a long time my favourite MagMod modifier has been the MagGrid, and that has been improved too. Here is the old MagGrid, and here is the new one. The new one is smaller and lighter, but it's also much stronger. But I would say the biggest improvement with the new modifiers is with the new MagGel. So as with the old one, you would have a gel like this and the gel holder, and you would put the gel inside the holder, which didn't take very long at all. We'll just do it like that, and that's already in. With the new gels, everything is integrated, so the magnets are already integrated into the gel, and that is brilliant because it means that the gel is going to take up far less space in your bag, plus changing them, like put it on there, let's just change that for another gel, takes literally a fraction of a second, and that is really cool. Now if you're interested in buying the new Professional Lighting Kit from MagMod, I will put a link to their website along with my discount code in the description. For now though, back to me at Tank Space.
So basically what I'm going to do today is use this amazing space to create some really cool rain shots with the new MagMod gels, and to help me do that I have the beautiful Halo, who is our model for today, so thank you very much Halo. I'll put Halo's Instagram down below, but I also believe Halo you're a photographer yourself, so I'll put your photography one as well, so go and check out her work. I've had a quick look and it's amazing. So yeah, we're going to use the new MagMod modifiers. Now to do this, eventually this rain machine will turn on and it's going to look really cool, but I'm just going to talk you through what my setup is for the first part. So we've got 3 speed lights. Over here I have the Godox V860. At the moment no modifiers on any of these speed lights. I do have on a freezer bag, which if you're going to do shoots in the rain is pretty much essential. So this is a large freezer bag from IKEA, not sponsored. This is going to be speed light C. This is a Godox AD200. Again, at the moment, no modifier on there, but again, another freezer bag. And in this corner, so these two are going to be backlighting Halo. We have another Godox AD200. This is going to be speed light B. So basically I'm going to have one lighting halo from the front and 2 lighting halo from the back. For now, I'm just going to take a shot with no modifiers on, and we'll just see what we get first of all. I'm just going to use just the backlights, I think, just to see what we get if we just use the 2 lights behind halo. So we have over here, this is flash B, and this one is flash C. I'm going to put them on, we'll put them on a quarter power at first to see what we get. Flash A is not going to be on at the moment. So settings wise, I don't want to use high speed sync, so I'm at 1200, and we'll try f4 ISO 100 just to see what we get. Let's just make sure those are triggering, and for the trigger I'm using the Godox X2T, which I love because it also means that I can have a speed light or a camera on my camera, which is always very handy for videos like this. I'm using the Sony 85mm 1.8 at the moment. Beautiful halo. Yeah, that looks good. At the moment these speed lights are a bit too bright, so I'm going to turn them down from a quarter power. We'll put them on a 16th. When I put a gel on, I'll probably turn them back up, but that looks nice. But that's showing us the potential, and I will now turn speed light A on. And if you don't mind, Hale, when you pose it, I'm going to ask you to look towards this direction, if that's okay. A is going to be obviously closer to halo, so I don't need that to be as strong. I'm going to put that on 164 for now. Yeah, that's really nice, perfect halo. So as you can see on the screen, settings wise, we've got a good base image there. This is where it gets exciting. So if you don't mind, Kai, if we can let it rain, I am so excited to see this, and I feel very sorry for Halo. This is mad. The ironic thing is it's actually pouring down in the UK today, so, but this is much nicer, and yeah, it's not cold, it's actually quite nice rain. This is crazy. So let's just see what this does with nothing else. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that was epic. Yeah, that's cool straight away. So let's now get really creative and we'll start using the gels. Now, as you would have seen earlier in the video, what I love about the new gels from MagMod is that they no longer need to go into a gel holder. So in the past, we'd have the gel and we put it into a gel holder. Not that was a problem. I mean, it takes barely even half a second, but now it's just all magnetic. So it's even quicker just to throw the gels on. So I'm going to put behind halo. I think we'll go for cool colours. So I'll go for blue and purple. And you'll see how quick it is just to pop these on. Literally like that. Let's do the same shot. Really nice. That's amazing. I'm just going to turn A up from 164 to 16. And now, because this is lighting halo from the front, I'd like this light to be fairly soft. So I'm going to add on the new MagSphere. Should really have got these out beforehand. Well, at least you can see that I'm using them for the first time. There we go. Let's just pop that on there. I am getting a little bit wet. Perfect. So you see that I've got the MagSphere very close to halo. That is because the closer the light source, the softer the light will be. So if we can have that relatively close, it means that the light's going to be nice and soft on halo. Really good. I'm actually just thought that way for me, Halo, if that's okay. Stunning. And really good. These are beautiful. In fact, what I'm going to do though is change from the 85mm to the 35mm, just because I'm a little bit close. The details for tank space will be in the description, but if you want to play around and take shots in the rain, there's no better training ground than this. Let's take the lens cap off. One thing I've learned over the years is that always helps. Amazing. These are epic. The rain looks so cool. Stunning. That's amazing, really good. Actually, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go from 200 to a 40th. Really cool. Once you've got your settings right, I always like to do this. Just play around with different focal lengths because you may as well. The speed lights are all set up. The settings are where I want them to be. So let's just play around and see what happens. So I've now got on the Sigma 135. She's not real lens that I'd recommend because it's too heavy. It's massive. but it will get me nice and close. Beautiful. These are close-up headshots, Halo. Really, really good. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to move the speed lights a little bit closer in. It's where we will need the freezer bags. I'm very proud to have been an ambassador now for MagMod for quite a few years, and I cannot speak highly enough of them as a company. Their equipment is so easy to use, and it just gives you such good results really quickly. Beautiful. I'm now going to change my aperture. I'm going to go wide open. Let's go into high-speed sync now. Yeah, gorgeous. Just looking that way, Halo, if that's okay. Stunning. That's it. There is really good. Oh, these are beautiful. Really, really good. Okay, so just to play around, I'm going to keep on the 135 for a second, but I'm going to change the gel on speed light C, which is this one, from blue to red. And again, this is what I love, just how quick this is to do. Bang, bang. Really, it's instant. So again, just head and shoulders, Halo, so if you can just look in that way slightly, just what we were doing before. Yeah, that's amazing. Beautiful. And what I'll just do now is go back to the 85. I'm going to turn B off, just so we've got the front light, which is A, and C, which is red. Yeah, that looks really good. Stunning. Just looking towards the light, Halo, if that's okay. Yeah. Kai from Tank, who runs Tank Space, has just told me as well that this is the very first shoot that anybody's actually done here, so that is a huge honour. Shooting here even before Kai himself. So, no pressure. In fact, Kai, how long did this take to build? Because I believe you did all this yourself.
Ooh, I'll come in. So it was myself and Halo's better half, Robin, who kindly helped with a lot of it, putting it all together. But yeah, all custom build. Did it all in-house to the exact specification that we wanted. And from start to finish, including this whole area, it's taken us 5 months so far. So we're very happy with it. Very happy that Neil's the first person to come and have a play.
Oh, thank you. No, it's stunning. And Halo, you're doing an amazing job. So yeah, we've just got a couple more things to do. I'm going to first of all use the same setup on the 1635 to go really wide. So let's just do a quick test shot here. Yeah, this will look really cool. I've just got to turn B back on. Yeah. Really nice. So if we can have the rain back, if that's okay, Kai.
Of course, yeah.
Rain on command. It's amazing. Let's go to a quarter power. So we've got A on a quarter power, B on a quarter power, C on a 16th. Okay. Yeah, it's good. And what I also, oh, that's brilliant. But what I'm also going to do now is add on a 4th speed light, D. That's going to go directly behind Halo to give the rain behind her to really light it up. This should be amazing. So I'm going to use another V860 and, just as important, another freezer bag. Thank you, IKEA. I'm not going to put any modifier on this one because I want the spread of the light. And we're going to put this on probably a bit brighter, this one, because it is going to just be a rim light. So I'm going to go for quarter power. Really good. Perfect. And the last shots we'll do of this shoot, I'm going to go back to the 135, I think. One thing you'll notice as well, which is the great thing about all MagMod modifiers, MagMod stands for magnet modifier, so it's all using magnets, is that the sphere is obviously outside of the freezer bag. So that's a cool thing, because otherwise the freezer bag wouldn't be big enough to go around everything, but it doesn't matter if the sphere gets wet. Just because I might have forgot to say this earlier in the video, not only does Tank Space have this amazing rain machine, but this is also where I shot this video with my friend Beth, where she was underwater in a huge human fish tank. So Tank Space for all your water needs. And you'll see the light quality, even just from the sphere, is really lovely. Perfect. So Halo, thank you very, very much. So I'm going to show on the screen now my favourite shots from this shoot. Again, huge thank you to MagMod for asking me to trial their new products. They are amazing, and it's an honour to be a MagMod ambassador, as it has been for a long time. Huge thank you to Kai and everybody at Tank Space for letting me use this amazing space, which is what has helped us create the images that we have today. So as always, if you have any questions at all, please do let me know in the comments. But thank you very much again for watching, and I will see you next time. And because this is such a special video, I want to do something very unique. So we are back at Tank Space in the UK with the UK's... I forgot it!
The only permanent rain machine of its kind in the UK.
Right. The only permanent rain machine of its kind in the UK.
Perfect.
And because this is such a special shoot, I want to do something very special for it. So I am at Tank Space in the UK with the only What are my key words he was to hit? The only permanent rain machine.
Yeah.
The only...
Of its kind in the UK.
Yeah, it's of its kind that's throwing me.
Yeah.
And because this is such a special shoot, I wanted to do something really unique. So I am at Tank Space, which is the UK's... I'm at Tank Space, which is the UK's only purpose-built... It's all right, I've got it, Kai, I'm on it. Okay, that wouldn't even be a bad thing. Wait, I'm at Tank... So because this is... No, I've not got it. The only permanent rain machine of its kind. I've got it.